from 1 to 9. Exam number 3. Okay. So we have to interview ka lang. How's your hair?
It's heavy.
Okay. Good ba yan, guys? So, let's start with the question and answer portion. Are you ready?
Pick number from 1 to 9, except 3. 9!
9. Picture number 9.
Oh my. It's Justin. Anyone deserving to dream? Anyone can dream. As long as they have the attitude, the ability to achieve their dream. They can be a millionaire. And this shows that sa sendong dili tanan kalisod, pilihan kalipay. That's all. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Ramos for that answer. So simple